Okay, boys and girls, today in math, you are going to write equations with equal addends to represent even numbers. Okay? So, I gave you cubes. I want you to put your cubes on your paper showing pairs, but I'm going to have you do it for the number 14. Okay, so show me 14 on your paper with your cubes. Show me 14, how you did it yesterday. Show me how you did it yesterday. That's not how we did it yesterday. What do you have to do? You do one part. There you go. No, that is not how we did it. How did I tell you to do it? I thought I knew. Yes. Remember, you're only doing 14. You guys are good. Yep. Okay, I can see all of you made 14 in pairs. Thank you. Yes, you need to make sure that they go. Okay, now that you've done that, we are going to draw it ourselves. So go ahead and push those up. Push your cubes up on your cube paper, and we'll draw them. Okay, are you ready? No. You don't have to draw specific. Okay. So, if you would like to draw squares, that's fine. If you just want to draw circles, that's fine too. 1, 2. You guys do this with me to show your cubes, what you had. 3, 4. Right? Okay, you keep counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to have you erase, and I'm very sorry about this, erase these two. Okay. And we're going to put them up here. Okay. Then, yes, we can pair them. Okay. Showing their pairs. And we said that there were 7 pairs, right? You see 7 on the top and 7 on the bottom, right? So that's going to be our number sentence when we are adding. 7 plus 7 equals what? You have 2 7s. Pairs of 7s. That's how much? 14. 14. So we have 14 cubes. Okay. Okay. We're going to go to the next page now. So turn your paper over. One more time. Turn your paper over when you have this done. read this. An even number of cubes can be shown as two equal groups. Okay, so if you have 3 cubes on top and 3 cubes on bottom, you have 2 equal groups. This is a group of 3 and this is a group of 3. They are equal, okay? They have the exact same amount, right? Okay, cubes, hands in your lap. Hands in your lap, because we're not messing with our cubes. Hands in our lap. Thank you. Okay. You can match each cube in the first group with the cube in a second group. Okay? They can showing you that 3 plus 3 is 6 and how you match them. Okay? And they're doing 5 plus 5 is 10 and showing you're matching them. Okay? We're going to do share and show today. And on your share and show, we are going to write our number sentence. Okay? They have the answer as being first and not last. That's not normally how a number sentence goes. It's kind of backwards, but it's okay. All right, it says, how many cubes are there in all? Complete the addition sentence to show equal groups. Okay, so it's like these ones up here. They put the answer first, or how many total cubes there were in all. And then they showed how many were in each group. Okay? So number 1. Look on your paper. How many cubes are there? Everyone? 4. 4. There are 4 cubes. Okay. Now, how many are in each group? How many cubes are on top? 2. How many cubes are on bottom? 2. So this tells you that 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay? We'll do number 2, and then I'm going to have you do 3 and 4 with a partner. Okay? All right. Actually, I'm going to have you do 3 and 4 on your own. Okay, number 2. Count how many total cubes there are for number 2. Count how many total cubes there are for number 2. Don't shout it out yet. Okay, everyone, how many cubes are on number 2? 8 cubes in all. How many cubes were on top? And how many were on bottom? 4. And 4. Okay, 2 4s makes 8. I want you to do number 3 and number 4 on your own. All right, next page, boys and girls. This is on your own, but I will help you do a few before you do on your own. Okay? It says, shade in the frames to show 2 equal groups for each number. Complete the addition sentence to show the groups. So number 5, they helped you already by shading some. Okay? The number is 10. You see that? You are shading 10. Now you're doing the same thing we still did yesterday. You shade the top one, then you shade the bottom one. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And where do we write that 10 then? On the right before the equals, right? 10. For the total. Like we just did on the other page, right? Now you're going to write how many you shaded on the top and how many you shaded on the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on top and 5 on bottom. Okay? If they're the same on top and bottom, boys and girls, we actually only have to count them once. You put it on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know that both of those should be 5s. Those are your doubles. 2 5s is 10. Okay? So if we did 16, let's do that right now. Everybody with me. Let's shade it. You pick up your pencil. Ready? Shade. Top 1. Bottom 2. Top 3. Bottom 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. Okay. Isn't that what we're going to? So we put 16 on the equal sign, right? Then, boys and girls, let's see how many groups we have. Ready? How many things? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what am I going to put on these two lines? 8 and 8, right? 2 8s make 16. Okay, I want you to do 20 and 18. Or 7 and 8 for 20 and 18. Okay, boys and girls, for the hot problems. Said the number 7 is an odd number. All these numbers we've been doing, 10, 16, 20, and 18, have been even numbers. Sorry. Swallowed some spit in the wrong way. Mark showed 7 with his addition sentence. Use Mark's way to show these odd numbers with addition sentences. So basically, boys and girls, what Mark did is he did 7. Okay? So you take your cube, and you're still going to do it with this red, sorry. We're still going to show them 1, and then put the other one down there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you have 1 left over for 7. Okay? So this is how they did that, okay? So this number 7 is right there, right? Because it's 7 total. But then there were 3 threes, right? There are 3 groups of 2. So you need 2 3s. There are 3 pairs, so you need 2 3s. Then you have just 1 left over. Okay? So now we're going to do number 9, which is the number 5. Okay? So I'm going to put this right here. Okay, so we're going to do number 5. So 5 equals, let's see. Take your cubes, pull 1 off. 1. Pull another one off, put it under that one. 2. Pull another one off. Put it at the top. 3. Don't put them together. Well, I guess if you want to put 2 together, that's fine. 4. And then 5 will have to be on its own, right? 2, 2, and 1.